Hey English learners and IELTS achievers. Today, we're revealing 15 powerful words that prove your English is fluent, confident, and outstanding. These aren't just common phrases. They're high-level vocabulary used in academic writing, professional presentations, and advanced conversations. Knowing them will boost your IELTS score, impress at work, and make your English stand out anywhere in the world. Stay tuned as we break down each word, give you easy examples, and show you how to use them naturally so your communication is clear, strong, and unforgettable. Let's get started and take your English to the next level of mastery. Why vocabulary matters in English proficiency. Imagine trying to paint a detailed picture with just a few colors or telling a compelling story with limited vocabulary. Language is much the same. Vocabulary forms the backbone of effective communication. It empowers you to express yourself precisely, understand complex ideas, and participate meaningfully in conversations. Enhanced communication. A broad vocabulary allows you to choose the perfect words for any situation, making your speech more clear and impactful. Improved comprehension. Recognizing advanced words enhances your ability to understand complex texts, academic papers, or nuanced conversations. Boosted confidence. Mastery of rich vocabulary makes you more comfortable speaking and writing, encouraging active participation rather than hesitation. However, simply memorizing lists of words isn't enough. It's essential to learn words in context, understand their connotations, and practice using them actively. The 15 words that signal outstanding English proficiency. These 15 words are more than vocabulary. They are signals of a sophisticated, high-level command of English. They span various contexts, from everyday conversations to academic essays and professional reports. Let's explore each one in detail. Number 1, ubiquitous. Meaning present, appearing, or found everywhere. Example, smartphones have become ubiquitous in modern society. Why it matters. Demonstrates your ability to describe widespread phenomena with precision and sophistication. Instead of saying everywhere, ubiquitous conveys a nuanced understanding of prevalence. Number 2, pragmatic. Meaning dealing with things sensibly and realistically. Example, her pragmatic approach to problem solving helped the team meet their goals. Usage. Use this word to describe practical decision-making, especially in professional or problem-solving contexts. Number 3, ambiguous. Meaning, open to more than one interpretation. Example, the instructions were ambiguous, causing confusion. Significance. Shows your awareness of the complexities and nuances in language essential for precise communication. Number 4, meticulous. Meaning, showing great attention to detail. Example, he is meticulous in his research, leaving no stone unturned. Application. Use this word to describe careful, thorough work, often appreciated in academic, creative, or professional tasks. Number 5, conundrum. Meaning, a confusing and difficult problem or question. Example, the team faced a conundrum when the data was inconsistent. Context. Indicates your ability to recognize and articulate complex problems. Bonus tip. This is a great word for IELTS writing tasks or when describing challenges at work. Number 6, eloquent. Meaning, fluent or persuasive in speaking or writing. Example, the speaker's eloquent speech captivated the audience. Impact. Demonstrates mastery in expression and persuasion. Number 7, ambivalent. Meaning, having mixed feelings or contradictory ideas about something. Example, she felt ambivalent about moving to a new city. Use. Shows emotional intelligence and nuanced understanding of complex feelings. Number 8, catalyst. Meaning, a person or thing that precipitates an event or change. Example, the new policy acted as a catalyst for economic growth. Application, useful in discussing causes and effects in various contexts. Number 9, incessant. Meaning, continuing without pause or interruption. Example, the incessant noise from construction disturbed the residents. Significance, describes ongoing, often bothersome, phenomena effectively. Number 10, juxtapose. Meaning, to place close together for contrasting effect. Example, the artist juxtaposed light and dark colors to highlight the theme. Usage, demonstrates your ability to analyze and describe contrasts vividly. Number 11, nostalgia. Meaning, a sentimental longing for the past. Example, listening to old songs filled her with nostalgia. Context, adds emotional depth to your language, connecting with feelings and memories. Number 12, quintessential. Meaning, representing the most perfect example of a quality or class. Example, this restaurant offers the quintessential Italian dining experience. Application, elevates your descriptions, offering a more refined way to say typical or classic. Number 13, resilient. Meaning, able to recover quickly from difficulties. Example, communities showed resilient spirit after the natural disaster. Significance, demonstrates strength and adaptability, valuable in personal and professional narratives. Number 14, serendipity. Meaning, the occurrence of events by chance in a happy or beneficial way. Example, finding the perfect book in that little bookstore was pure serendipity. Usage, adds a poetic touch when describing fortunate accidents. Number 15, utopia. Meaning, an imagined place or state where everything is perfect. Example, many writers have tried to describe a utopia where society lives in harmony. Application, useful in philosophical or visionary discussions. How recognizing and using these words elevates your English. Mastering these words doesn't just impress others. It transforms your ability to articulate complex ideas and understand nuanced texts. Here's how incorporating these words into your language skills can make a difference. Academic excellence. Words like pragmatic and quintessential add sophistication to essays, research papers, and presentations. Professional communication. Using terms such as resilient and catalyst can convey leadership qualities and strategic thinking. Enhanced reading skills. Recognizing words like ubiquitous and juxtapose enables you to grasp advanced literature and technical texts more easily. Rich conversations. These words allow you to participate in debates, discussions, and casual chats with greater precision and flair. How many of these 15 words do you already use? Pause and count. You might surprise yourself. Effective strategies to learn and use these words. Memorization alone is insufficient. To truly integrate these words into your active vocabulary, employ these proven strategies. 1. Use tools for interactive learning. Platforms like TalkPal provide immersive lessons, real-life conversation simulations, and quizzes that reinforce vocabulary. Engaging with such tools makes learning enjoyable and effective. Second, contextual learning. Learn each word within sentences, articles, podcasts, or videos. Understanding how words function in context ensures you grasp their nuances and appropriate usage. Third practice, writing. Incorporate these words into essays, emails, journal entries, or social media posts. Writing helps solidify your understanding and makes the words part of your active vocabulary. 4. Engage in conversations. Use new words in daily conversations or language exchanges. Real-world practice boosts confidence and helps you remember. Challenge. Pick one word right now and say it in a sentence aloud. 5. Visual aids and flashcards. Create visual cues, diagrams, or flashcards to memorize meanings, synonyms, and example sentences. Repetition and visual association improve retention. 6. Read widely and regularly. Expose yourself to diverse materials, books, articles, speeches that naturally include these words. Elevate your English with these 15 words. These aren't just words, they're signals of your excellence. They show the world that your English is confident, expressive, and refined. Integrating these words into your vocabulary not only enhances your ability to communicate effectively, but also enriches your appreciation of the language's richness. Whether in academic papers, professional presentations, or casual conversations, these words enable you to articulate ideas with clarity and impact. In conclusion, if you recognize and comfortably use these 15 terms, congratulations, your English is truly outstanding. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and keep pushing your skills forward. Subscribe for more content like this, share with your English group, and remember, language is power.